Hi, this is Josh from Excitex. This tutorial video is to show you how to use different keyboard shortcuts in ProAnalyst. Okay, so let's begin. The first keyboard shortcuts that I'm going to show you are those of the playback controls. The playback controls are these buttons here. Each of these buttons has a corresponding button on your keyboard. The buttons on the keyboard are aligned in the same order as the buttons here in the measurement window. The Z key is the jump backward button. The X key is the play backward. The C key is the play forward. The V key is stop. The B key is 1 frame backwards. The N key is 1 frame forwards. And the M key is the jump forward button. So if we go to our video and press the C, we can watch this video. We can stop it by pressing the V key. And we can go backwards by pressing the X key. Stop it again. We can frame forward by using the N key, and we can go frame backwards by using the B key. And then we can jump to the beginning by pressing Z, or jump to the end by pressing M. Okay, the next keyboard shortcut is used in manual tracking and delete mode. So if we're manually tracking this gecko, we can go and click Set Point, or what we can do is just put the reticle on the point that we want and hold down the Control key and then right click. And we can keep going through the video, just putting the reticle on the point that we want to track, hold down the Control key and right click. The shortcut can also be used in delete mode. Here, we can put the reticle anywhere. It will highlight the nearest point and we can click delete, or we can put it anywhere, hold down the Control key and right click. We can also highlight multiple points and still hold down the Control key and right click. The next keyboard shortcut is a simple one. It's for annotations. If we put an annotation in this video, to delete it, we just highlight it and then click the delete key. The final keyboard shortcut is for use in 1D line tracking. This video is not one we would generally use 1D line tracking on, but we're just going to do an example. So, if we're going to create a line, we click Modify Line, and we can draw it. However, if we hold down the Control key, it'll automatically make the line perfectly horizontal, or if we drag it this way, it will make it perfectly vertical. And those are the keyboard shortcuts for ProAnalyst. So thanks for watching.